Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today when you consider the fact that the price was actually right down around here, and then all of a sudden the price managed to close up there. Yeah, I get it. The price did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, that the price has still made a good solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at 18 cents. Why is 18 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 18 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price goes down here, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the progress point, if you will, as down there at 18 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party stopped today just shy of 21 cents. So right up there around probably 0.208-ish is going to be that initial area if this overall movement is going to get more momentum as the week plays out. But anyway, look at it from where the price was to where it is right now. Definitely a nice move, and now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.